Open your in-apps browser and navigate to app.polydex.org. 2. Click on Login and connect your wallet. 3. Click on the PolyDex icon, then click on Exchange and choose Swap. 4. Choose any token that you want to swap to CNT, basically USDC or Matic. 5. Enter the amount of token that you wish to swap. 6. Click on Approve. 7. Click on Swap. 8. Successfully swap your token to CNT. 9. Click on the PolyDex icon, then click on Exchange and choose Liquidity. 10. Click on Add Liquidity. 11. Choose KOM and CNT to create an LP token, then enter the amount. 12. Click on Approve CNT. 13. Click on Supply. 14. Successfully combine KOM with CNT. 15. Click on the PolyDex icon again, then click on Farms, then choose Multi-Reward. 16. Scroll down and click on Aprrove LP. 17. Click on the plus button and enter the amount of LP token that you wish to deposit. 18. Click on Confirm. 19. Successfully farming on PolyDex.